everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we've got a real treat for you, man. This is a very rare Mopar. This is a 1969 M-Code lift-off hood 440 6-pack 4-speed Dana rear end Super B, guys. Great car. I bought it out of North Carolina. It's an older restoration that's been very well maintained. Matter of fact, this car came out of a private collection. A gentleman owns a minor league baseball team down in North Carolina. But great car, man. Runs and drives excellent. Again, very limited production. I'll try to get those production numbers in the ad for you. Factory Hemi orange car. You can see it's got the lift-off hood. It's not a matching numbers engine, but it does have a 69 block in it. Pistol grip, or I'm sorry, not pistol grip, 4-speed manual trans. It's got a Dana 411 rear end in it, sure grip rear end. Of course, it's got the lift-off hood, the black vinyl top. It's got 15-inch chrome Magnums on it with the Goodyear Eagle GTs or STs all the way around it. Great car, guys. Runs and drives excellent. Good, solid North Carolina body. I believe it has all the original body panels still on it. And I'll tell you, guys, runs and drives excellent. Couple little things I noticed. There's a little touch-up mark there. Like I say, it's an older resto, but very, very well maintained and probably not many miles on the restoration, guys. Good looking car. Not a whole lot you can really nitpick on it. Stanchions go with it. Those go with the car. Of course, it's got the lift-off fiberglass hood on it. Gorgeous paint. Vinyl top's in great shape. Glass is nice. And like I say, it really runs and drives excellent. Nice and tight. It's got the pop-out rear windows, which I love. That vinyl top's very nice. Back window's nice. Love the color combo. See, the car's nice and flat down the sides. Good rubber, good looking set of wheels on it. This is a nice car, man. Again, car's nice underneath the hood. Not a matching numbers engine. It is a 69 block, of course, 440 6-pack, stock exhaust manifolds. Pretty standard rebuild too. Mopar Radiator with the shroud. Just a little dust there, guys. Again, I bought the car right out of a private collection. Here's your trim tag. Good looking car. North Carolina safety tag on it. The original M-Code VIN number with the original rivets. A-pillar chrome's nice. Original mirror, you kind of nitpick that a little bit. Door handles, you can nitpick those a little. I believe this is all the original interior too, guys. I don't think this has been changed. Factory bench seat. It's got all the correct seat belts. Seats are nice. Headliner's in good shape. Original steering wheel, which is in very nice shape. It's showing 33,686. I'm sure that's not original. Now, I'm gonna have to have some stuff checked. All of this was working when I bought it. Not real sure, but the tach stopped working, and the gauges stopped working. So, but I have a feeling it might actually be in the ignition switch. We're gonna check it though. But like I say, when I bought it, all that stuff was working. All the lights, the turn signal, blower motor, all that stuff. Parking brake works. I'm sure it's either a connection, we popped a fuse or something. Dual exhaust. Again, it's a Dana 410 Sure Grip. The water driplets, guys. Comes with the car cover, factory jack with a Goodyear spare. Again, I believe it's got all the original body panels. You can see it's painted body color in there like it should be. Still got the insulation on both quarters. The undercarriage has really got the original undercoat still underneath it. They did detail it up a little bit, but they didn't overdo it. I got it up in the air, got some pictures of the bottom of it for you. Really dig this car. Dash is nice, gauges are nice and clean, look original. Radio delete, again, blower motor works. I know that reverse light on the dash works. Have Nathan come fire it up here. We're gonna drive it down the road. The roads are pretty dry. We've been dealing with some horrible weather, but they're pretty clean today. Again, pretty much stock rebuild. Does run on pump gas. And like I said, I know that tach works. We'll check it though, and I'm not real sure. Yeah, now we got oil pressure. Well, we got the gauges working. I know the parking brake works. That's your parking brake. That all works. The flashers work. Backup lights work. Good sounding Mopar. Again, radio delete, so there's no radio. Blower motor does work. Put it in reverse, Nathan. Yeah, light works. Like I said, the only thing on there that's not working is that tach now, but we'll check it. I have a feeling it might be in the ignition, guys. Not real sure, but just, like I say, everything on that thing is working. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page, our YouTube page, or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. I don't think your door's all the way shut, Nathan. Have a great day, guys.